Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video we have a pretty big package from SpeedCubeShop. Before we start, a massive thank you to SpeedCubeShop for sending this package to me. If you want to buy any of these cubes or any other SpeedCubes, be sure to get it at SpeedCubeShop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Alright, so the first puzzle we've got in this box is the Aosu WRM 4x4. However, this isn't just any old Aosu WRM, it is actually the UniCube version. And if you guys are wondering what the UniCube service is, or you're wondering how I set up this puzzle, here is a short clip of the same. Alright, so here we are at the SpeedCubeShop website, and I really wanted to try out their UniCube service. So yep, here we are. Let's build our own UniCube today. Alright, so what cube do I really need? 2x2, I'm happy with my wall. 3x3 WRM is quite nice. Actually, I really need a new 4x4, so let's have a look. My MGC keeps popping on me because my turning is pretty bad. So yep, let's pick a UniCube 4x4. Okay, which one should I choose? I don't want another MGC because my turning is too bad for it. Let's try out something new. Let's go with the Aosu WRM. I have a GTS 2M, but it's like almost dead. So yeah, let's try out the WRM this time. Factory magnetized, stickerless, UniCube, PVC coating. Yeah, I don't really need any PVC coating. Core loops. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Vortex for my core loop because it's honestly the best core loop out there without a doubt. Alright, and for piece loops, so here's the thing, I don't like anything slow in 4x4 and up. I just want a very fast cube for anything that's like 4x4 or higher. So I'm gonna go with Stardust on the pieces along with Lunar, which will create that fast and long lasting effect basically. I don't really need any of the weighted loops. Warranty none. Logo, honestly the classic SCS logo looks really nice, and so does the Moyu logo, but honestly nothing beats the UniCube logo, so I'm just gonna go for the UniCube logo, I guess. Alright, so let's add it to cart, and we are done. Alright, so let's open this up. Oh no, I asked for the UniCube logo, but I got the standard SCS logo. Anyways, that's alright. Let's just go ahead and get right into the cube. Alright, they were able to put the plastic wrap back on, which is pretty nice. Alright, here we are. It feels much smaller than my MGC. Let's get on to first turns. Okay, it is a little bit catchy right now. It's a little bit loose. However, it feels really nice overall. It's really fast, which is something I really like I said. Yep, I'm able to turn pretty nicely on this overall, and I really like the feeling of this. It has a nice dryish feeling. However, it is quite fast, which is something I really like. And since it's a UniCube setup cube, it's set up really nicely. And overall, I couldn't be happier with this puzzle. Alright, so here is my current main, the YJ MGC 4x4, and as you guys can see, the MGC is a little bit bigger than the worm. However, that's not a problem at all. In fact, I actually quite like it. And the MGC, in my opinion, is quite fast and nice. However, it pops way too much for me because my turning isn't super great, and the WRM feels a lot more stable than the MGC. Overall, I think that this is a no fuss and very reliable 4x4, and I would absolutely recommend it. I'm sure it'll get even better with break-in. Alright, let's have a look at the accessories box real quick. And I've got this guy. Then I've got a pamphlet about how to solve the 4x4, I guess. I got a screwdriver and some extra magnets. Oh, and also this card with this guy, and you can scan these if you want. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to see how it turns out after some break-in. Let me know if you guys want a full review on this cube and or a video on the entire UniCube service as a whole, where I'll give my thoughts. I'd love to make it if you guys really want it. Oh, and we've also got a collectible business card. This time we got Martian, and if you guys remember, last time we had got Cosmos. Alright, so the next puzzle we've got is the YJ MGC Square-1 with Pro Setup Service, and I asked them to replace the yellow caps with black, and that's what they've done, which I'm very happy about. Technically, Pro Setup is basically the same as Supernova, so I could say that this is a Supernova MGC Square-1, I guess. And yep, that black top looks really nice. Anyways, let's get on to some first turns, and wow, this feels so much better than the Volt V2, but it's just so much faster, and I'm not really able to control it right out of the box. The U and the D magnets feel so weak, whereas the slice does feel quite strong in comparison. I think I'm gonna have to change my turning style just for this puzzle because it just seems so much faster than the Volt V2M. So here's my Volt V2M here, and this just feels a lot more controllable and slower. However, the MGC Square-1 feels much less catchy, and overall I like this a lot. I think overall I just need to get used to this puzzle, and I think it'll become my main once I get used to it. Let me know what kind of video you guys would prefer on this puzzle. Whether you guys would like a full review or a comparison between this, the Volt V2M and the Yuxin Little Magic Square-1M. Let's just have a quick look at the corner cutting. Wow, the corner cutting feels so good. And it doesn't seem to have that weird lockup everyone's talking about. I think that SCS must have tightened it during their pro setup service. And yep, overall it feels really nice. Yeah, just after doing some turns on the MGC Square-1, the Volt V2M just feels so slow and sluggish. And yep, overall I'm definitely preferring the MGC Square-1. Alright, so the next puzzle we have is the Yuxin Little Magic Pyraminx M, and a lot of people have been saying that this is the best Pyraminx on the market, period, even better than the Shoutout Mr. M, which is my current main. I'm really happy with my Mr. M Pyraminx overall, so I think it will be tough to beat. However, let's give this puzzle a try. Alright, here it is. Let's do some first turns. Yeah, out of the box it's not super great. It's a little bit sluggish and it feels quite unstable, honestly. The tip magnets remind me a lot of the Bell V1, which I really like. I really like strong magnets and tips. But the body just feels a little bit too flimsy for my taste overall. The feeling of this puzzle is also quite sandy, as you guys can hear. And overall the magnets are also a little bit too weak for my taste. However, I see this having some potential and I will have to set it up a little bit. So here's my current main. This is the Shoutout Mr. M Pyraminx, and overall I really enjoy this puzzle. The magnets are perfect and overall I can turn much better on this. But I'm obviously not going to be giving up hope on this puzzle yet. In fact, I know it'll become a lot better with setup, and after that let me know if you guys want a full review on this puzzle or if you guys want a comparison to the Mr. M Pyraminx. People have actually been complaining that the tip magnets are way too strong. However, I honestly really like them. They're the perfect strength for me. Alright, so the last puzzle we've got in here is the Moyu Magic Rainbow Ball, and I was originally gonna do like a solve challenge video on this where I would try and solve it one-handed and do random challenges like that. However, when kids hear the words rainbows and balls, they are quite intrigued. So let's hear what my sister has to say on this.
So here we have the rainbow ball.
And my sister is very excited for it, so let's get right into it.
Here it is.
Yep, bring it in frame. Correct. Yeah, perfect. And you can try it out.
So here it is, the rainbow ball. And this is how it works. So you do it like this and this.
Nice job, Ria. Thank you for showing us how it works. And let's see if you can solve it.
And here it's solved.
Good job, Ria. So that is the rainbow ball, guys. Thank you to my sister for featuring, and I hope you guys liked her part. And so that's about it for this unboxing. Here's the aftermath, and once again a big thank you to SpeedCubeShop for sending this package out to me. Once again, if you want to buy any cubes, be sure to get it at SpeedCubeShop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Thank you all so much for watching this unboxing video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. Hey, so before we end off this video, a quick shout out to Yathar Jain for using my discount code at SpeedCubeShop. He ordered a Cosmic Yuxin Little Magic Square-1M, and yep, thank you so much for using the discount code. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.